So today I made our Seitenbacher German sourdough. You get everything in the kit that you need to make the sourdough. The only thing that it doesn't come with is a rubber spatula and a bread pan. So basically what you do is you get your water right out of the tap as warm as possible, probably 90 degrees or above to get it to that temperature. Then you add your sourdough starter, your yeast, mix it around a little bit, add your flour, the spelt flour from Germany, mix that in, make sure it's all nice and mixed and everything like that. Put it into your bread pan and simply put it outside, and it has to be above 80 to 90 degrees for the yeast and everything to start getting going. So when the bread comes up to the top of the bread pan, stick it in the oven. Stick it in the oven. Take it about 20 minutes. It depends on the oven. I mean, if you have an oven that is just a standard oven that doesn't have any convection to it, put it in for about 20 minutes, turn it at 20 minutes, put it in again for another 20 minutes. Should be done. But each oven's a little bit different, so if it looks a little under, put it in about 10 more minutes. Who doesn't love warm bread and butter? But you can also make the bread into croutons. You can make it into French toast. It's a little dense, but you can do anything that you normally do with bread. You can do it with our sourdough. Enjoy.